Hey everybody, how's it going? Just wanted to do a quick trade recap for yesterday, Thursday, May 21st. It's about an hour before market open, Friday, May 22nd. So just wanted to get this filmed before the new session opens. Alright, so I already have my chart in replay mode, so we could see the time we're looking at here. And on the hourly chart, what I was looking at before we went into market open was I did see this big hourly bearish fair value gap. And on the 4-hour chart as well, price action was looking a little bearish. Maybe we want to go down, so my bias was leaning bearish on the day. And then if we go into the 15-minute time frame, I was keeping my eye on this big 15-minute inefficiency, this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. When we opened 9:30, we kind of were chopping around a bit. Sort of, what time was this? 9:55. We tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. So I was getting ready to take a short if a setup presented. And then if we go here on the 2-minute time frame, we did get an initial tap into this 15-minute fair value gap, and it was looking like we're going to have a 3-minute gap open up down here. So for my setup, I normally like to see a fair value gap inverted after we hit a key level. But in this case, we hit the 15-minute fair value gap, went down a bit, and we actually reswept the high. So the inversion I'm looking for now would be from this new swing high. So on this swing high, we did form a 2-minute fair value gap there, and that was inverted right here. So once we got that inversion, I put an entry in for a short. I know I can't see the execution marks. I try to get those to pop up, but I think that's from the previous trading day, so the data's already gone. And as you can see here, maybe it's not super conventional. This is not even a 1-to-1. It's a 0.8 RR. I was just going for the easiest target within this 3-minute fair value gap here. We had this kind of wick, so I thought that's where price would be drawn to. If I was going for a more risky trade, that would be a good break-even point, and then potentially these lows could be targeted. But yeah, I just wanted an easy. I typically go for a 1-to-1, but today was more like a 0.8, or yesterday was more like a 0.8. But sometimes that works out because you need this stop here at the swing high, because as you can see here, after we got the inversion, we got pretty close to this the top of this wick here. So if you would have had your stop loss at the top of these candle bodies, you would have been stopped out. And after we went up a bit, probably took out some stops, we did get some pretty bearish price action down. And I was considering moving to break even though we haven't hit any specific levels to justify that. But as we were going down, we also got a big wick back up, as if you could see that candle there. So if anyone moved their stops to break even prematurely, they definitely got stopped out there. But yeah, so what I'm doing here is I'm on a Apex Trading PA account, working my way towards Payout, and we're just taking it slow. Sometimes that's the fastest way, right? Don't rush things, and trying to go for easy 1-to-1s. So what I want to work on going forward here is maybe try to at least get a 1-to-1, not a 0.8. That would have been a good break even, but yeah, my directional bias was pretty correct. As you can see, we kind of dumped through that TP. So I mean, this could have easily been, even if I just took it to here, 1 to 2 RR, so that would have been pretty good. or 2 to 1. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but yeah, the risk to reward would have been a lot higher reward right there, but low hanging fruit was going for the easy target. But yeah, that about wraps up the trade recap. We had bearish price action going into market open, had this 15-minute inefficiency pre-market. We got to tap into that. Had a 3-minute gap open, but we tapped into that and then reswept the high we formed in this 15-minute. That had a 2-minute gap open up. On the 2-minute time frame, we inverted that 2-minute gap. That's where I put my entry in. Stop loss at the wick high, and I put my TPE at an easy target, this wick and this 3-minute gap, but that could have also been just a break-even point, and you could have targeted these lows right here. But yeah, let's get this payout. Any questions, feel free to leave a comment, but yeah, thank you for watching, everyone.